Beekeeping. Beekeeping is an established craft in the Letnica region. The honey obtained by the local beekeepers is of very high quality and is also ecological. The large forests and sown fields create a favorable environment for the development of its production, and during the past years, new farms with hundreds of beehives have emerged. The beehives are placed on mobile platforms, allowing their movement close to the pasture at the time of blossom. The bee families need continuous care and attendance. The farmers observe carefully the condition of the beehive, the eggs and larvae, and the sealing of the honey. The overall condition of the beehive and the bee family needs to be examined. The eggs and larvae form a semicircle, and above it is the sealed honey. The mother bee lays the eggs in the cells built by the worker bees. A bee family is like a single system at all levels, from the reproduction and feeding to the maintenance of a certain temperature in the hive. The large variety and the different time of blossom of the local flora contribute to the significant yield of honey. The bees fly several kilometers in search of pollen collection. During the swarming, half of the family leaves the hive with the new mother. The farmers plant swarmers saturated with common balm somewhere close in order to catch the bee swarm. Then they prepare the frames, which serve as the foundation for the bees to build their cells. Toward the end of the autumn, the beehives should be prepared for the winter. The honeybees produce numerous benefits. They produce the valuable and irreplaceable products of honey, wax, royal jelly, blossom pollen, bee poison and propolis, and pollinate cultivated and wild plants.